Hello moneymakers, this is one of the best niche I have ever seen. Take a look at this video. Don't you think this is the most unique piece of content and a completely new niche that is not being worked by anyone so far? You will be the first one who will create content like this and start out of the competition. Stop creating content that is being suggested by YouTube gurus that are already saturated. My channel is full of unique niches that you can pick now and start working without investing a single dime. So in this video, I will show a secret editing method using which you can create such videos without spending a lot of time, and yes, that is my job too. I pick new niche from YouTube, break down the method and share it for free to my audience who subscribe to my channel. So without wasting more of your time, let's grab some cold coffee and watch this video till the end. Alright, so first things first. To create these type of videos, we need perfect prompts that deliver amazing image generation results, right? So, let's start our video creation process with generating prompts. Guys, open ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Imagine you're crafting the ultimate prompts for generating hyper-realistic macro photographs featuring tiny fantastical characters like elves, fairies, or miniature warriors. Each prompt should include character detail, insect mount, natural environment, lighting and mood, and artistic style. This will help create the perfect visuals for your video. Don't worry, I've included this complete prompt in a doc file that you can access by joining my free WhatsApp channel. You'll find the link in the description. And there you go. ChatGPT has provided us with amazing, highly detailed, and precise prompts in just a few seconds. These can be directly used in our image creation process. If you need more images, simply ask ChatGPT to generate additional prompts. This way, you'll have unlimited prompts ready to use. But if you don't want to go through all this work, your AI Maskman has already collected and saved all the prompts in a doc file for you. You can join the WhatsApp channel through the link provided in the description to access the doc file. Alright, so our first step is complete. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating images. Now it's time to generate images, and for this, I'll show you 2 free AI tools. I'll also share the results from both tools so you can decide which one works best for your needs. Let's get started. The first tool is Leonardo AI. Currently, you get daily free tokens to use, and the image quality is pretty good. Choose the Phoenix option from the preset style. Select Auto and Dynamic for the settings. Set the ratio to 9:16 for mobile video format. Paste your prompt and click Generate. And boom, your image is ready. The result was really good. Now, let's try with another prompt to see how it performs. Look at this images. This is also good. Alright, the second tool is Pixelman AI. First, open Pixelman AI and sign into your account. Then click on the Create option, paste your prompt, and select Flux 2 as the style. Next, choose the 9:16 ratio and set the number of images you want. Now hit Generate, and that's it. It might take a little time, but the results are absolutely worth it. Just look at those images. They're so realistic and cinematic, right? Let's try it with another prompt. Wow, that turned out amazing, didn't it? This way, repeat the process until you get all the images you need. Once done, download all the images to your computer. Alright, so this step is complete. Do you know this could be the last time you see my videos? Yes, that's right. If you have not subscribed to my channel, there is a high possibility that YouTube will not suggest my videos on your homepage. Now it's your decision. Let's get back to the video. Now let's move on to the next step. The next step is optional. We'll add some motion to our images to make the video more engaging. If you prefer, you can skip this and use just the images as they are. Step 4. Animate the images. To add motion to your images, you can use any image-to-video tool. This will bring your visuals to life and make your video more captivating. I'll use Hilo AI for this because its results are absolutely stunning. Although it takes a bit more time, the outcome is worth it. Open Hilo AI and sign into your account. Now click on the image to video option from the dashboard. Upload the image and use this prompt. Bring the image to life with subtle natural animations. Add a slow zoom-in effect to enhance depth and focus on the character. Gently animate moving elements, such as wings, with a soft fluttering motion. Introduce a mild breeze effect to create realistic movement in surrounding elements like grass, leaves, or other small details, adding a dynamic and immersive touch. Then hit create. Set up 3 videos to generate at once, and then forget about it for a while. Since it can sometimes take a lot of time, you can work on other tasks in the meantime. Alright, my videos are now generated. Let's see the results. That's incredible. Absolutely amazing. This is how you can generate your own videos. And with that, this step is complete. Wait. If you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a dedicated video on that topic for you. Now let's move on to the last step. But before that, make sure to download background music or some cinematic sound effects from YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay to enhance your video. This will make your video much more engaging. Alright, let's move on to the last step. Step 5. Editing. To edit the video, I'll use CapCut. Open CapCut and import all the materials you downloaded earlier. First, drag the background music into the timeline. Then, one by one, add the videos or images you generated. Adjust their durations as needed. If you're creating a video using only images, make sure to set the duration of each image to 2.5 seconds. Avoid making it longer than this, as it might make the video feel boring. Now, to remove the watermark, click on the video and select the cropping option. Crop out the part with the watermark and then stretch the video slightly to fit it back into the frame properly. You'll need to repeat this process for all the videos. Next, to make the video more engaging, go to the animation section. Select the combo option. From there, you can choose animations like Zoom, Pendulum 1 or Pendulum 2. Add these animations to your videos one by one and preview them to see if they fit well. If it works, keep it. If not, try a different one. Repeat this process to add animations to all the videos. After that, you need to add transitions between each clip. For example, after my first video, I'll add the whoosh transition, then the mix transition, and after that, the dissolve transition. Similarly, you should add transitions between every clip or image to make the video flow smoothly. If you want, you can also try adding filters or effects to enhance the overall look of the video. Finally, add sound effects to make the video more engaging, and that's it. Your video is ready. So, don't wait. Start creating a video today and begin posting consistently. Now let's take a look at what we've created.